everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the brand new Nano Banana feature inside Google Lens. This AI tool lets you edit any photo instantly without even opening any app. It's super quick and super fun. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google app. Like you can open it the Google app or Google Chrome. Just choose the regular Google search app. And then now look at the search bar and you will see a camera icon right there. This one. Just tap on it. Like this. That's how you can open the Google Lens. It will immediately switch to your camera view. And if your phone is up to date, you will notice a Nano Banana icon on the screen. Like this. Just tap on it. And then next, just point your camera at anything that you want to edit. It could be maybe object or a person, your pet, or anything else. Like this. For example, like this. And then as soon as you do that, capture the photo, the Nano Banana prompt box will pop up like this. And then next, you can type any prompt to describe what you want to do. For example, like edit the background, or maybe turn the picture into a cartoon version, or maybe remove the object, or just type anything that you want to do to your image. For example, in this tutorial, I want to coloring the picture. For example, like this, and then just generate. Like this. In just a few seconds, your edited photo will appear like this. It's pretty cool, right? Now, if you don't see the Nano Banana icon yet when you open the Google Lens, don't worry. Just make sure you have updated your Google app, Google Lens, and especially Google Gemini to the latest versions. And once all are updated, restart the app and the features will appear automatically. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to use Nano Banana inside Google Lens to edit any image, anytime and everywhere. And it's all without leaving Google. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.